Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today's video on My Legion Secrets, we are going to be looking at the month of August, how it was for me, what's going on. I'm going to go and actually show you exactly what happened so that you guys are aware of what to do. And if you're interested in My Legion Secrets, then this video can be helpful for you. So I know that a lot of people are looking at this video to get updates and stuff like that. Am I still using My Legion Secrets? So I hope this helps you out even more. Guys, stay tuned because I'm going to get on my laptop and share with you more. Perfect, guys. So here I'm on my screen at the moment. This is My Legion Secrets back office. If you're not familiar with it, let me just give you first and foremost an overview of My Legion Secrets, and then I'll be talking about the rest. Sorry if I'm looking like this. I just got a new puppy, so I'm checking if she's okay, and she's just playing around at the moment. But yes, as I said, I will be going ahead and sharing with you My Legion Secrets. This is the back office. Let's first and foremost talk about My Legion Secrets and share with you what exactly it is I personally am doing. Now, I use My Legion Secrets as a traffic source, guys. I follow a very distinct plan, a very concise plan, which you can find in the description of this video. So in the description, there's going to be two playlists that you can get access to. One is to My Legion Secrets training. So it's all videos related to My Legion Secrets. And the second one is how to get $1,000 per month with My Legion Secrets, or not My Legion Secrets only, how to get $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. And that video is in the description. That playlist is in the description as well. So please check that out. Check if it is relevant to you, obviously, if you're interested in affiliate marketing as a whole. So My Legion Secrets is in my structure as what I call a cash flow element. It starts to generate cash flow for me so that I can then use that cash to be able to reinvest into my business and have consistent traffic and leads going to my offers. Guys, affiliate marketing is all about two skill sets, in my opinion. One, the first skill set is specifically related to traffic generation or advertising, and the second one is copywriting. My Legion Secrets, in my opinion, has both, and it has the element of actually getting basically having a cash flow element in place. Now, sorry, I can hear in the background my dog is playing with a toy, and you can hear it as well, but I'm just gonna push through and make this video because these are the kind of things that you see. I am a real person, we have a real life, and this is what is going on. Okay, so as I said, My Legion Secrets is the main product for My Legion Secrets is that they give you 100 leads as a minimum. And if you do refer one person to My Legion Secrets, you get a bonus of 100 leads. So you can get anywhere between 100 to 200 leads or email addresses every single day to your My Legion Secrets account. Now, it is a concise platform, so it has everything under one roof. You don't need to have another email responder, autoresponder to be able to email the leads. Everything is here in the mailing system. I just sent out actually my last email, as you can see right here. So that's why I have 22 hours. So every day you can send one email out to the leads that you get. Just to show you a little bit of statistics, I've been sending it since March when I got started. I've been sending every single day these leads. And today I tested out, for example, no perfect timing, just to give you guys a little bit of analysis how this feature is. Now, more about this is going to be in the playlist below, so feel free to check that out. But by the way, guys, I haven't said this until now, but if you are interested in anything that I'm sharing with you on this channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified for all the videos that I post every single week. It is 3 videos every single week. I try to be as consistent as possible. I've been traveling for the last few weeks, so I've not had every single week videos out, but I am definitely scheduling them so that you guys get access to it. Okay, so that is in the description. As I said, 100 to 200 leads. That's the core product of My Legion Secrets. That's what they're giving you. It doesn't mean that those leads are going to convert into sales, guys. This, I want to be crystal clear. The effort, the work that we need to put in as affiliate marketers or as marketers in general is being able to write emails that convert so that you get sales. But it doesn't mean that you're guaranteed sales. Okay, this is very important for you guys to understand. It's something that I've said in all my videos so that you understand that I'm using this as a traffic source in the first place. So I'm basically sending out an email every single day. I've been able to generate generate sales every single week. Actually, some people do it every day. And today we're going to be looking at the numbers. How much does it cost just to get the whole overview done? It costs $60 the first month. And if you decide to keep it through the other months, then it's going to cost you $30 every single month to maintain the service of having those 100 leads. And you can send basically emails out every single day, every 24 hours. So let's have a look at my statistics just so that you know. I've been getting close to 100 to 200 clicks on my emails every single week, every single day. Sorry about that. Every single day. And that's been basically how it is. In terms of, I do promote in a bonus link. So I'm just going to show you an email so that you can see. I'm just going to show you the last email that I sent. I have the links out here, and sometimes in the special bonus right here, you have a link to my Lead Gen Secrets, or if somebody clicks on my signature or the email, the picture right here, they will get redirected to this page. So if somebody does want to join and they do join, then I get the commission on that. So that's just like a passive thing that I have there. I'm not really focused on promoting my Lead Gen Secrets, but just to show you, I have about 14, I have 14 members right now, 14 upgraded members. So that means that it is an active amount of income that I'm getting, which is more than actually $60 at the moment, because it's $5 per member that I have. So I have 14 active users, and I have 2 people who have decided basically that they don't want to use the service anymore. So I would have had 16, but I have 14 because 2 decided to drop out and not pay for the service anymore. So as long as the members are paying, I'm getting paid. That's it. Okay. And I want to just show you in terms of commissions. Let me just scroll down and show you right here. I've been paid out over $235 at the moment with my Lead Gen Secrets since I joined in March this year. Okay. So that's just an overview of my Lead Gen Secrets itself, and we're going to go through the numbers in a second. Sorry, I didn't want to go through this page, but let me just go back. Yes, so this is my Lead Gen Secrets. Now let me go over the numbers. What do I do with my Lead Gen Secrets? So I send out an email every single day, as you can see right here. Let me go to statistics again so that you see the last email that I sent as an example. I send out an email every single day, and I send the email basically to an affiliate marketing product that I have on Warrior Plus. And Warrior Plus is the marketing place that I use, but I send the traffic there, and I've been getting sales. So let's go ahead and look at August, because I want to show you guys August how it is, and the realistic transactions of what it is. So let's go to transactions. As you can see in the transaction here, you have the tracking code, and I do track all my basically all the sales that I make with my Lead Gen Secrets, right? So let's go ahead and just look at the whole month of August, because I want you guys to see clearly how it is. And till 31st of August, let's click go and look at also MLGS as a tracking code. And you can see I've got $209. Now I'll do the summary, but just to show you, these are 14 items that were purchased. And if you see the sales, is basically every few days. See, this is 4 days apart. This is 2 days apart. This is about a week apart almost. This is again 2 days apart, but every single week I'm making sales with my Lead Gen Secrets, and this is kind of proof of that, right? So, and this is only for the month of August. I do have for the entire month of the July and others also available. If you do decide to get started with my Lead Gen Secrets, reach out to me on Facebook. The link to my Facebook page is in the description as well. Reach out to me on Facebook. I'll add you to this group. You can check out also all the posts that I've done, and I'm just going to go through it and show you all the posts that I've done similar to this, for example, since I got started. So this is my summary for the month of August. So I wanted to give you guys here an idea. So in month of August, I still had only 12 active. I got 2 more active referrals in September, but the month of August, I had 12 active referrals. So I earned $60 that month in referral income from my Lead Gen Secrets. So I earned $60 from my Lead Gen Secrets itself. I earned $14, 14 items in sales, as you can see right here, which is the sales amount is always, as I mentioned, is the amount that the person is paying for the product itself, not for the commissions that I'm earning, but the product itself is what you can see right here, the sales price, and the commission is, so as I was saying, guys, the sales price is 325, and the amount that I got in commissions is 209, just to give you guys a clear understanding. So sales price is the amount that was sold. So people purchased $325 worth of products from me in on Warrior Plus in the month of August. In terms of commissions, what I earn, net income, this is net profit, right, is 209. So adding all those totals together, so 209 plus 60 is what I've earned from My Legion Secrets and Warrior Plus, minus how much I spent on My Legion Secrets membership, which is $30 every single month. That gives me a total profit of, as you can see right here, $239.11 for the month of August. Now, this income right here that I have got in pure profit, I use basically to purchase more traffic so that I have it running. But I wanted to get through these numbers so that you see it. Guys, I'm not gonna keep this video for too long. I wanted to make it a short summary this month just because I have a lot coming up in September. The sales I've already started making sales in September. I'm definitely very excited to share my results the next month with you guys. But for now, this is a simple, just using My Legion Secrets to an affiliate offer, whether it's ClickBank, whether it is Warrior Plus, whether I'm laughing because of my dog, whether everything, another kind of a product it is, it's basically generating me personally over $200 every single month. Now consistently for the last 3 months, it's generating me over $200, which is great cash flow to have, which is all profit, by the way. Remember, I'm removing my expenses from this. So this is all profit. So $200 plus in profit every single month, which I basically use as a cash flow aspect to then generate more sales in my business, so in my affiliate marketing journey. This is it for My Legion Secrets. Guys, if you're interested, I'm keeping this as short as possible. If you're interested, the link to My Legion Secrets is in the description, so feel free to check that out. You basically be taken to this page right here. You click on Join MLGS Now, and you'll have to pay $60 the first month and then $30 every single month after that. They do have an upsell. If you want that upsell, go ahead and get it. If you don't, that's absolutely fine as well. As I said, links are below. If you have any questions, ask on the video and I will get back to you. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm here as always to help you all and be very transparent in my journey. This is a traffic source. I don't use My Legion Secrets to promote My Legion Secrets, guys. I use it to promote my affiliate offer. I have a very strict strategy that I follow. And I also have my Facebook links in the description if you want to get to know about that strategy more on a personal basis and you want me to work with you. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.